Okay, here's a little tour of my office. It's always glam. Look, here's tables. And these over here are my products. This is my shimmer. These are my glosses, cleansers, bracelets, more glosses, lip oils, earrings, scrub, my refrigerator. And these is where I keep my supplies. You can see I make more. These are my lashes. More lashes. And glues. And soaps. And body scrubs. And goodies. And I have a few glosses in here. This is my weigh scale for when I weigh my customers' package and take them to the post office. And this is my printer here for my labels for my lashes and soaps. This is my lovely desk, computer, flowers. This is my desk. This is the boss office right here. So you got a good view. And this is my home away from home. Home away from home. Alrighty then. Bye.